sit spot. It's January 2012 and we've been having ice storms. You can hear the ice falling from the branches, or the branches, ice-coated branches falling in the woods. So it's really quite lovely to see everything coated in this beautiful frost and ice. That stump is rather interesting. Here we are at Abrams Creek again, and I'm on my way to my sit spot, and I decided that this would just be a lovely place to come and sit and be and enjoy the nature around here. So I chose that rock to sit on for a few minutes. And I just really love the scenery around here. There's the creek in the distance there. You can see the water. And then looking up, we have the hemlock forest trees, which are just really relaxing and calming. Love their soft branches, looking up at them. And that was Rochelle behind me. So she's here too on the walk. I really love this mossy covered rock, boulder rather. It's quite a large boulder here. There's the beautiful background. Such a magical forest. Hemlocks are very special here in the eastern United States, and it's unfortunately becoming rare with the blight that's hit them from Asia. It's a type of insect that has been destroying a lot of our hemlock trees. And this insect doesn't affect all of the hemlocks worldwide, but it's for whatever reason our hemlocks can't seem to withstand this insect. The hemlocks over in Asia are resilient to this insect. Well, that's where the insect came from, unfortunately. And then the hemlocks out west also are resilient. So we're very fortunate to have these hemlock trees here at the Abrams Creek campground. It's really lovely. Here I've come across this really lovely green lichen, and right here is the lichen, and beside it of course is moss, and they just look really gorgeous together. And in touching the lichen, it's the prickly kind, so it's got little prickles. And then of course I've videoed this type of moss before that looks like miniature ferns. I'll zoom in a bit there. It's amazing how they look like little miniature ferns, fern fronds. Very beautiful, mossy, licheny rock. And here's the forest, which is very close to my second sit spot here at Abrams Creek. The sun is coming out, and it's a few days before Christmas Day. It's the 22nd of December, 2011. So here I am, December 22nd, 2011, at my second sit spot. It's sunny, a sunny morning. It's about 10:30 in the morning here on a Wednesday. I'm on vacation, so I almost forgot what day it was. So it's just really lovely here with the sun out. So here I am sitting at my sit spot, and it's actually quite warm today for this time of year. Yesterday was the winter solstice, December 21st, so the shortest day of the year. And I'm just enjoying the sights and smells here. Really love it here. Smells of wet woodiness, and the air just feels really mild and very, very slight breeze. A little bit of a chill, but hardly anything to notice, and I'm bundled up pretty well here too. Very nice. Very thankful to be out here today and have the time to get away and sit out in nature and just be. So here I am at my sit spot. It's a gorgeous December 22nd day of 2011. And the air is just really cool and crisp, but not too cold. I'd say it's about maybe 50 degrees, maybe 55. So it's a really nice warm day for this time of the year. So yesterday was the winter solstice, the shortest day of the year. So I'm just really enjoying this place, really enjoying the quiet, peaceful solitude and just connecting with nature on this winter day, early winter. It's sunny out, just really love the warmth of the sun. I'm really admiring these shaggy barked trees here in front of me. Zoom in there, plane overhead. Just that gorgeous contrast there, the blue sky. And there's the shaggy bark there. Very nice. So we have some bird activity here in these hemlock trees. You see them leaping, flying from branch to branch.